If you want to export a high-quality image in Figma, whether that's for a website, social media, an app, or a presentation, this quick tutorial will show you the best way to do it without losing sharpness or detail. A lot of people export from Figma using the default settings and end up with blurry or low-resolution images, especially when they view them on larger screens or high-density displays like Retina and 4K. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to export crisp, professional-looking images every time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Figma tips and design tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and select the frame, image, or design element you want to export. This is important because Figma exports exactly what you select, so make sure you click the correct layer before moving on. Once your element is selected, go over to the right-hand sidebar and scroll down to the export section. If you don't see it, you may need to click the plus icon to add an export setting. By default, Figma usually exports at 1x, which is fine for basic use, but if you want a higher quality result, you'll want to increase the scale. For high-density displays like Retina and 4K screens, change the export multiplier from 1x to 2x or even 3x. This tells Figma to create a larger version of your image, which helps keep it sharp and clear when it's displayed on modern screens. If you need a custom export size, Figma also gives you that flexibility. Instead of using just the multiplier, you can type a specific width or height into the scale box. For example, if you want a wider export, you can enter something like 3000W. If you want to control the height instead, you can use a value like 2000H. This is especially useful when you need exact dimensions for client work, banners, thumbnails, or marketing graphics. Now, if you're exporting vector-based assets, the process is even better. Select your vector graphic, then in the Export Format dropdown, choose SVG. SVG files are perfect for logos, icons, and other scalable design elements because they stay sharp at any size. Unlike raster images, SVGs are exported natively at 1x, but they remain crisp and perfectly clear whether they're viewed small or scaled up much larger. That makes SVG the best choice when you need flexibility and quality at the same time. So to recap, if you're exporting a regular image or frame, increase the scale to 2x or 3x for better quality. If you need a custom size, use a width or height value like 3000W or 2000H. And if you're working with vectors, export as SVG for the sharpest possible result. These simple settings can make a huge difference in how polished your final design looks. If you learned something new, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.